Scaling meta ads with a small team comes down to one thing: creating more ad variations faster. But how and can you afford it? Here is the exact workflow that lets small teams compete with the biggest brands that have entire creative departments. Here's what small teams get wrong about scaling meta ads. They think the problem is their budget. They think if they just had more money to spend on ads, they could scale. In today's world, that is not the bottleneck is creative production. Here's what's happening. You create one or two video ads, launch them, and they work for maybe a few weeks. Then performance drops because your audience has just seen it way too many times, and then ad fatigue kicks in. So before you know it, your cost per acquisition goes up and your click-through rate goes down, and you need fresh creative. And as a small team, creating fresh ads is hard. It requires video production, talent, and also creators who you may be hiring, and all of that is going to take a lot of time. Then you're managing scripts, edits, workflows, contracts, and everything in between. Not to mention, how much does all of that cost? Then most smaller brands end up running the same ad for months, if not years, because that's all they have. Now, here's what may surprise you. The brands that are scaling on meta ads successfully are not the ones spending the most money, and they don't have the largest production teams. They're the ones producing the most creative variations and refreshing them before ad fatigue sets in by doing one thing really well. Let me break down what scaling meta ads actually requires from a creative department before we get into the solution, so that we understand the lay of the land. The core driver here is going to be volume. Meta's algorithm is going to reward fresh creative. If you are running these same 3 ads for months and months at a time, performance is going to fall. So that means with volume, you're going to need speed. When you identify a winning concept, you're going to need variations around that and be able to double down on what's working. And waiting to find out what is actually winning and then spending weeks to wait for new creative is going to slow down your entire process. And you're going to need to test every part of your ad, whether it's the hook, the talent, the scene, or the call to action. And to be able to test all those variables in different variations for a small team used to be a mountain of work, and most small teams just can't afford to do that. But that's with traditional video production. So how do small teams get this process to scale? Here's how small teams are solving this in today's world. They're using AI to handle the creative production, so they could actually spend their budget on ads and not on the production process. Just check out Creatify. The creative production cost will drop from thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars, down to a few dollars per video. Now, having all of this in one affordable tool changes the economics completely. And not just the economics, but the actual timeline and process. What would have taken months and tens of thousands of dollars can get done for a few dollars and an afternoon. And that means, especially for a small team that may have a more limited budget, you could put more dollars to ad spend versus the production costs. So you have the power now to create unlimited creative from your computer with different variations in hooks, avatars, call to actions, and more. So here's a recommended workflow for small teams. The first week, the initial testing. You're going to want to create your first batch of ads using Creatify's URL to video tool. Just paste in your product page or landing page and let the platform do all the work. Then once you create a few ads you love, you could then launch them inside of Creatify to Meta. Now give each ad a small budget and see what performs. But just take a look at this. The total time was an afternoon and your cost was just the Creatify subscription. So let's go to week 2 and 3. Now you're going to scale and double down on the winners. Now you're going to identify different hooks, avatars, and call to actions that are really working for your brand. Maybe it's a specific product, or maybe it's a specific target audience. Maybe you notice that 2 ads have the same avatar and they're performing well. You could double down on that avatar. Basically here, you are going to refine what's working instead of guessing. Then you could pause and stop all the ones that are not performing well and increase your ad spend on the winners. And now you have no creative production bottleneck, and you don't have to wait weeks to scale and try new variations. Now, in week 4, we want to refresh and iterate. As performance scales, you're going to want to create new variations to avoid ad fatigue. So, you'll take the best performing ads and create variations. Maybe test different avatars with the same winning hook, or maybe try a different angle on the core message. With Creatify, you could do all of this from your computer. No need to wait weeks or wait for creatives to get back to you on their price and figure out their contract and then get started on creating new ads. You will stay ahead of ad fatigue instead of reacting to it, and your entire team and company are gonna love it. This workflow is gonna let small teams operate as if they have a full creative department. And if you are ready to get started with Creatify, you could get started today for free and test out everything we've discussed in the video with the first link down below in the description. Now, let's do a quick cost comparison because this is where your team and your managers are gonna love it. With traditional UGC, you're gonna need to hire creators, go through the whole process with them, which is gonna take weeks, and you're probably gonna be paying a few $1,000s, if not $10,000 to $20,000. And that means whatever budget is remaining is what you're gonna use for your actual ad spend. And let's just say you have another $15,000 to spend on the ads. So in total, you're spending around $30,000 for this whole process, but only $15,000 is going to ad spend. Now, let's consider this approach with Creatify. Now, let's say you go all in with their pro plan, you're gonna be paying around $50 a month when you sign up annually. And that means in 1 month, your cost for the actual ad creation went from $15,000 down to $50. And that includes over 1,500 realistic AI actors, 30 plus premium AI models within one tool. And you could create videos that are up to 10 minutes long. You also have 200 AI ad templates to choose from, and the list goes on. And now, your entire budget of $30,000, you're spending over $29,000 on ad spend. That means you could test more, try new concepts, and try market trends that you may have never seen work, but are working currently in the market. Now, let me point out some mistakes that kill this process when you get started. The first mistake is not testing enough variations. Now, I get it. You may look at 1 or 2, maybe make 3 or 4 different ads and feel like that's good enough to get started. The advantage here is that you could create 20 variations and test them aggressively. And then once you find winners, you could double down on those. The second mistake is keeping ads running too long. Ad fatigue is real, and even your best performing ads may decline over time. With AI, there's no excuse for running the same creative and hoping that it works even if the performance is dropping. Mistake number 3 is ignoring platform-specific optimization. What works on Instagram may or may not work on Facebook, and it may or may not work on LinkedIn. Create platform-specific variations instead of running the same video everywhere. And Creatify makes that so simple to do. And the fourth and last mistake is over-optimizing before testing. Don't spend hours and hours trying to perfect one video. It's better to create videos that are good versus perfect. Test them and then find out what's working. And this entire process is what is going to give small teams the competitive advantage. Now, you can get started with Creatify with that first link down below in the description, and with the free plan. That means you could get in there, test this out for yourself, and get started today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.